Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Tonight we're going to try to get the push rods out of the 302. I kept the box that the harmonic balancer came in, got it marked left and right. We're going to pop some holes in it, and as we pull these push rods out, we'll place them in those holes so we'll know they'll go back in the same location that they come out of. I'm waiting on the ladies to get home, so I'm gonna try to get this done before they get here, and we'll get these head gaskets changed out, guys. She's gonna be ready to put back into the Red Demon, and then we can start bolting everything else up to it. But we're slowly picking away at it. I don't want to lose momentum, here, guys. I'm just trying to keep the momentum going, trying to continue on with the build, because we're getting closer to getting it back on the street, and then we can change the interior pieces that I want to change and all that stuff after we get this back going the way it's supposed to. I just want to try to keep going, man, keep going. So let's get these holes popped in the box, pull the push rods out, and maybe get a head off, but we're gonna try. Alright, guys, we're just going to pop a couple holes in this box. I just got a punch with a sharp point on it. Alright, guys, hopefully we'll just set the box right here for right now. Like I said, as we pull them out, we'll just place them as we go. All right, guys. Guys, as you can see, we got the push rods pulled out. So the next step is snatching these head bolts off and get ready to pull ahead. All right, let's see if we can get this head bolts broke loose. Alright, guys, it's Wednesday. We pulled those heads off Monday. The ladies come home, so I had to cut it off then. Wasn't no more working in the shop. So I had a little bit of time tonight. I figured I'd come out here, close this video out, show you guys what the 302 block looks like and what the heads look like. Keep in mind, Still got to get everything cleaned up. I hadn't had a chance to go here and clean anything up. I just sprayed it down with some WD, and tonight decided to come out here, try to get what I can done. I'm not going to torture you guys, make you watch me clean all this gasket material off. I'm not going to do that. The next video, we'll put the new head gaskets on, reinstall the heads, and put the new ARP head bolts in. Get those torqued down to sequence, and let's see, probably won't put the push rods into the next video. It'll take a little bit of time to get the heads reinstalled for me anyway, because a lot of times it's later on at night when I get a chance to come out here, and I don't come out here very long because you got to work the next day. So we're gonna look at the engine, man, and see what she looks like. We're gonna keep running it. We're gonna run her until she won't run anymore. But she looks good. The cylinder walls feel nice and smooth. It's not pitted up. Ain't got no ridges in them or anything. Not all scratched up. Everything looks nice and smooth. She was running fine when we pulled it out, guys. There wasn't anything wrong with the engine, by no means. That's not one of the reasons behind this build. I'm just doing this stuff to the engine just for me. Like I said in the previous video, trying to help out the longevity of the engine and try to make it last as long as possible. Because what it would have took to rebuild it, we can spend that money in other places. So that's what I decided to do. Later on down the road, who knows what's going to happen. But as you can see what the block looks like, and the heads need to be cleaned up really good. Everything needs to be cleaned up, guys. None of this stuff's perfect. There's actually no telling how many miles this little old 302's got on it. And I did mark them right here in the corners just to make sure I put them the way they come off. Don't want no issues, you never know. Everybody makes mistakes, guys. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you got any comments, drop them down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If any of you guys are doing a 5-look conversion, you want to know how to do it on a budget, go back and check out my videos. I got part numbers, all that good stuff. Help you out the best I possibly can. If you have any questions, just drop them down below. Other than that, guys, we're just chugging away on her. We're getting her done. And we'll catch you in the next one.